Okay, so let's look at this transfer switch. Okay, so the battery voltage is 25.0, which is good amount of battery. As you put on more load, it may drop a little, it may go up until the load come off. So see the inverter and the battery reading. So this switch at the top is to switch it to JPS. So if for any reason the inverter shut off power, you just press this switch at the top and it switch to JPS, but it does it automatically. So when you see the arrow is here, it's on solar. When the arrow is here, it's coming from JPS. Alright, so in this box now, you press these two arrows same time, okay? And open to open it. Alright, so this is the battery breaker, and this is the breaker that cuts off the main. So the main come here first. This is the AC surge. Alright, so right here you have the inverter, and it's 3000 watt 3000 watt inverter, 110. So you only can get 110 current from it. Alright, so there's a switch underneath it to turn off the inverter, which is this little switch over here. So you press the off, it's on now, so you press this off and it's off. Alright, so we have the battery in here, the main in here, the AC surge protector, and the inverter switch. So everything is running good. So let's go to the roof to turn on the PV, because the PV is not on yet. So let's go to the roof. Okay. Let's see, we have a nice view. So the PV is here, so we are going to push in the PV. Right, so this is the PV box. So these are the two fuses. You can pull them out to disconnect the PV. And it's a weatherproof box. So the same thing. Squeeze this to lock, so no water can go in it. And it also have a DC surge for any lightning also in that box. So that's the PV.